Hello everyone, Ollie the repair dude is here again. In this video, I'm going to test Sliver 6.1 iOS 14 untethered bypass on iOS 12.5.4. Will Sliver 6.1 iOS 14 untethered bypass work on iOS 12.5.4? Let's find out in this video. As you can see, I have an iPhone 5s on iOS 12.5.4 on the activation lock screen. As you can see, let's get started with the bypass. The first step is to jailbreak the device using checkra 0.10.2. I open Finder, Application, go to checkra 0.10.2, start the jailbreak. Once the phone booted up successfully and checkra shows all done, close checkra. I will be setting up the device to show you it's still activation locked. And boom, it's still on the activation lock screen. Now let's open Sliver and close Finder. Now go to checkra iCloud bypass, iOS 14 iCloud bypass, click continue. If you have not done so, please install the necessary file, click on that. You'll get the dependency.sh on your desktop. Follow the instruction on the dialog to install the dependencies needed for Sliver 6.1. I have already done mine, so I'll be clicking OK and proceed to the next step, which is to click jailbreak and relay SSH. Click on that, click my Wi-Fi is connected, click already jailbroken, then click jailbreak and relay SSH again, click yes all done, click yes, click got it. Now let's click reach the home screen. And boom, on the data and privacy page, and done action required. Just set up the device. Now on the home screen, I can show you the iOS version of this iPhone. Go to settings, go to general, about. As you can see, this is on iOS 12.5.4. Press general, press setting. Now let's install CDR. Go to checkra loader, tap on CDR, tap on install CDR, and let the checkra loader do its thing to install CDR. And boom, CDR is installed already. Tap on CDR, allow it to load, and let the upgrade pop up. Once you get the essential upgrade pop up, tap on ignore. Then search for CDR substrate. Tap on search, enter CDR, and then substrate. Tap on CDR substrate, tap on modify, tap on install, tap on confirm, tap on restart Springboard, and boom, on the lock screen, press the home button to go to the home screen, click substrate is installed, click OK. Now final step is to make it fully untethered. Click on that button. If you get this error message, click on dismiss, click on jailbreak and relay SSH, click my Wi-Fi is connected, click already jailbroken, click this again, the jailbreak and relay SSH, click yes all done, click yes, click got it. Now click reach home screen. You get done action required. Start the device, go back to the home screen, Click substrate is installed. Click OK. Now click make it fully untethered. Activator. Insert a pin lock SIM. That means I managed to resolve the error successfully. Now let's set up the device. Now insert the lock SIM. Let the phone respring again. Insert my lock SIM card. Not forgetting put back the case. Tap on cancel. Will the untethered work? Let's find out in this video. Turn off the phone. Let's turn it on again. And boom. It remained untethered, but the SIM is locked message stays. Try to lock the phone. And press home to open. Tap cancel. And as you can see, it remained untethered. That means you restart, no problem. Go to general, about, in settings, and see this is on iOS 12.5.4. I'm not kidding. This is not a fake video. In conclusion, iOS 12.5.4 works with Sliver 6.1 iOS 14 untethered bypass. If you do run into problems running the untethered part, please go back to the jailbreak and relay SSH, and from there continue till the untethered part. I really hope you enjoy my tutorial video. My video. Please like, share, and comment on my video. Subscribe to my channel, and please do donate. The link to donate is in the description below, and see you in the next video.